I just want to clarify that this was not planned at all.
Bravo.
And that's what 3 days of Morocco do to you.
We have found a lot of cool places on Google Maps by just choosing at complete random.
Do it again, I love it.
Let me do my dance. Welcome to another day of exploring. Today we're gonna go and visit a lake, Lake Awa. It's a lake that is how far from the city of Ifrane?
It's about 20 minutes outside of the city.
More or
But
less.
I have something interesting to tell you.
Yeah, what is it?
We are already at this lake.
Oh, what do you mean?
We are at this lake.
Okay,
We are surrounded by this lake.
okay.
We are in the lake.
Oh.
Yes, as you can see, the lake is completely dry.
We heard about this lake. It's a very famous lake in this region. People have fond memories. Everybody has a story. And so they all tell you to go and visit it. But because of the dryness of the last couple of years in this region and in many parts of the world, what happened is that this lake actually lost all of its water. And the rain that falls currently every year is not enough to basically fill up the whole lake once again.
There's enough rain that grass grows, there's trees, plants, but not quite enough to fill up the lake. People are still using this lake in different ways. We can see people bringing their animals here to graze. There's even different farms surrounding the lake, plots of land where people are growing things, even some people that live here. So it's still being used. But we're gonna walk around, see if we find anything
What's around here?
interesting. The little donkeys, they're so cute. It's interesting, one of them is tied up and the other two are like free. I wonder if one of them misbehaves.
No.
This must be the one that really causes troubles. Because, you know, if they had to tie his legs up, he probably went running around the lake.
No.
Well, not much going on at Lake Awa today. It's nice to get some fresh mountain air, but we're gonna move on and see what else we can discover today. We are in right now a Moroccan family's home. They have invited us for some tea and we're getting a little tour of the house.
I just want to clarify that this was not planned at all. We were literally on the road, driving around with no particular destination. We got to this random spot and we got lost. And this family just came out and said, "Ah, are you trying to go to the next town?" "Sure." "Well, why before going to the next town don't you stop in for tea?" And they're showing us around. So very welcoming. Look at this. Oh wow. Ooh. Bzef the cook.
No.
No, maybe eggs.
Oui. Okay.
Oh. Trying to get out. Go back. Go back in.
These are only for eggs.
Just eggs, yes. Voila.
So we just got a table added.
a table.
And we've been hearing that this family sells apples.
Well, so here's the thing. So basically the guy, the grandpa, he basically just cuts trees for the family to get wood for the winter, because he says he needs to do that a lot. The guy, on the other hand, says that there's a little bit of work. He sells apples, they get food from the animals that they have here. Look at this.
Shukran.
Typical Moroccan tea. Atay, as they call it around here. Anta professionnel.
No,
Okay, so they want me to do it. They want me to pour it. Oh my god. the pressure in this place. That's it.
Okay, take the.
Huh?
Professional.
Hey, wow.
Bravo.
And that's what 3 days of Morocco do to you.
And then, as if all this delicious tea is not enough, they also just brought us some bread.
Moroccan bread.
Very good. Shukran. Benin? Benin?
Benin.
Benin. Benin.
The smell of bread, no matter where you are in the world.
What did you cook?
Did not expect this. No, I'm really happy. Let's try. Here, you film this epic moment for me. Okay. It's I don't know. It's cheese, but not the way we imagine cheese.
It's a little crunchier. Benin.
No, مزيان. And then we got this. This is some kind of apple sauce, I would say. This looks like butter, I think.
That's butter for sure.
Olives and
Eggs.
eggs, of course. No, sorry. I was thinking in Darija.
Bed.
Beid.
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 Okay, beid. Yes. وش عندك واحد ولد وكتر 5
Deux petites, 7 filles.
7 filles. Wow. This guy has 7 kids.
Oh.
Deux femmes.
2 femmes.
Deux femmes.
2 femmes. Okay. Okay, so he has 2 wives. That's
Okay.
why. They live in different places.
They live in house.
واحد دار وواحد
دار.
Okay. Okay. Wow, very interesting. Very interesting. 7 kids. A lot of work. البيض parfait.
ماشي بحال ديال الحانوت.
لا exactement. The most organic eggs.
Natural.
Natural. Natural.
So these eggs are true eggs. Like they have such a strong egg flavor. It's just so delicious. Like nothing that you can get at Stop and Shop.
اليوم أوتلا في المغرب.
وي عطلة.
أوتلا ديال جنو؟
مسيرة خضراء. عطلة دو توت.
كل ناس. Okay.
And people don't work.
Oh yeah, ماشي خدمة.
No work today.
No work today.
Everyone can be together and eat.
Yes, yeah. كل عائلة مجموعة. Together مجموعة. Okay.
إيطاليا زوينة. إيطالي.
زوينة. إيطاليا ومغرب لا ناتور بحال والله بحال كاين جبل وكاين انيمال غلة بزاف غلة بحال انكرويابل والله
خدمة موجة. خدمة كاينة.
وين في الشمال في الجنوب والو ولكن في الشمال بزاف. وين
أنت تسكن في الشمال ولا الجنوب؟
في الجنوب.
We just had our tea.
Nice stop.
Beautiful stop.
Let's go.
We can't forget our apples.
Don't forget the gift. Okay.
They're getting us a bag.
They're way too kind.
They're so kind.
Bonne chance. For you.
Ora, bonjour pour toi.
Merci. I mean, look at this. We're leaving with a bag full of apples, some fresh eggs, because we told them how much we loved the eggs. It's unbelievable. Shukran.
Shukran.
Marcelama. Mohammed.
Ciao. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. His smile.
I know.
Bye-bye.
Shukran.
Oh.
Look at this guys. Salam.
Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. So we were just driving up in the mountains of Morocco, where we don't know for sure, but we just saw this amazing landscape. See, look at that.
It's an insanely beautiful landscape. All I'll say is this. We have found a lot of cool places on Google Maps by just choosing at complete random.
Yeah.
This is a very, very beautiful place.
Assalamu alaikum. لاباس. شنو السميت ديال الفيلاج؟
عيد صلاح
عيد صلاح.
عيد صلاح
اوكي. انا في الطوموبيل وشفت واو مزيان مزيان كيعجبني بزاف جبال فريت. السلام عليكم. سلام لاباس. انا سائح تورست. وي
American tourist.
ايطاليان تورست.
American tourist.
لا 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 ايطاليان تورست
السلام عليكم. نعم.
من نابولي
نابول.
في الجنوب ديال ايطاليا.
من موروكو.
Grazie, grazie. Welcome to Morocco.
On va voir un petit jardin ici, on revient.
Andiamo andare a vedere il giardino.
Ah, ok.
C'est un village très calme, très joli. Nous, on était sur la route et on était là-bas et elle a dit, mais tu sais quoi, on peut voir parce qu'il y a la Val ici, c'est très joli, on va voir.
Notre monde ici, sur ce montagne.
Sur la montagne là-bas.
C'est mon pays, j'ai de la terre comme ça, de la culture. Voilà. Maintenant, ça fait longtemps que je ne suis pas ici. C'est fait depuis le mois 5. Je suis pas arrivé ici. Je viens d'arriver ici. C'est mon frère qui s'occupe du jardin, des pommiers,
Il y a beaucoup de pommes ici.
les figuiers. C'est calme, absolu. Ici.
En fait, ouais.
Dans sa période. Et maintenant, c'est le repos.
C'est le ouais.
Oh, coming down?
We're following these two brothers down this path. They want to show us their garden. That's pretty much it.
Okay.
It's nothing fancy, but they say it's a very honest and very humbling experience to take care of a garden, to take care of the fruit, the animals, and even the wood that you need to prepare in this month of November for the upcoming winter. It gets really cold here. Pomme. Prune, is that plums
Yeah.
in English, right?
Yes.
And then apples. And
Il commence les figuiers.
figs.
And figs.
And donkeys. I agree 100% that big cities, he says, it's a waste of time. I agree 100%.
Yes, yes.
Parce qu'il y a tout le monde,
Spend
beaucoup de
time
gens.
Beaucoup de gens des stops, comme ça. Casa, ou bien Rabat, ou bien. Il faut 3 heures, 4 heures pour sortir, pour traverser une grande ville. Pourquoi ça? Au lieu de la traverser dans une demi-heure.
Ouais, exactement. Exactement.
Voilà.
Non, je suis d'accord. Et bien sûr, et c'est pour ça qu'on fait seulement un tour du pays, mais seulement avec les villages
Avec les
petits.
petits
Parce
villages.
qu'on veut voir la vie des gens,
Mais-
qu'est-ce qu'ils font.
Des grandes villes, c'est habituel, on le sait, tout le monde le sait. Mais à la campagne, c'est autre chose.
Exactement. Exactement.
Another thing.
Another thing.
He studied English,
Uh-huh.
ça fait 41 ans. Je ne l'ai pas oublié.
Et non, il reste ici, non?
Reste ici.
Et quel travail vous avez fait?
Forestier.
Forestier.
Voilà un poste.
forestier.
Voilà un poste forestier. Voilà.
Ah.
Où vous avez placé la voiture, c'est un poste
Ouais.
forestier.
Ah.
C'est un poste forestier.
Okay. Before we go, here's all the wood that this guy here was talking about, and he said that they gotta prepare for winter and they gotta stock up on logs. And here's where they are, because obviously it's cold here. This gets a lot of snow. This place, people come here to ski. Actually, right? That's what we learned. So.
And yet another successful stop today. We got to see a garden, learn something about another person. I mean, it's always just so cool. You know, you start your day never even thinking about these people, never heard of them, don't even know they exist. And then you have these cool encounters and It's really special to get to even know a tiny little piece about somebody's life.
I know, yeah, even for a few minutes. It's always nice to take the time and spend some time with locals and people from all over the world. Look at those girls, they're hiding.
I think these girls are hiding from us. Ah!
I can see you. Whoop. What? I'm playing. Whoop.
Do it again, I love it.
Let me do my dance. That's what I am, a clown for Moroccan boys and girls.
Come on, hide with them one more time. They love it.
Ah, enough.
Where is he?
A clown for Moroccan children. Comment tu t'appelles? Asia. Mcharfin.
Je m'appelle Marisa. They're laughing at my French. How dare they?
They're laughing at your French, at your name, everything. They just want to hang out with me and play hide and seek with me. وسوي له دار ديالي بعيد بزاف ماشي مغرب اوروبا ماشي مغرب
ماشي مغربي
انا
ولا اوروبا
yeah Italia. This exchange is so funny. Ana David. Okay. Here Marissa. Okay. Un Tuma?
كوثر
Kauta?
آسيا
Asia?
مريم
Maria.
Maria.
Ah, Marissa Maria.
Marisa Maria.
انتما من المغرب
مار
وهنا من ايطاليا.
إيطاليا
ايطاليا. متشرفين.
شرفين
Mucharfin.
بسلامة. My God, it's so difficult. Because as long as the kids, they know. Oh, Assalamu alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
They've never talked to anyone outside of this village and school, and maybe a few people, but.
Davide, what did you just get?
I got a melograno. I wanted to exchange this pomegranate for an apple. Instead, I've got these, and they didn't accept my apple. I'm starting a document with all the Darija words that I don't know. And now look at all the apples, and now even a raman. Okay. Shukran, Khuya, shukran. Italia. Italia, numero uno. Marsalama. Salam alaikum. Morocco is unbelievable. It's such a great country, and the people are the most welcoming in the world. You literally just want to ask, what do you guys have? What kind of trees you have? Just out of curiosity, here, get a pomegranate. Just eat it. No, but I want to give you some apples. No, it's yours. We don't want apples.
Or you just show up in a place, oh, this place is really beautiful. Let me show you my garden. Or you ask for directions. Here, come have a tea. It's just amazing what it can come of it, what interactions you can have just with a smile, just with one word, one question. So cool. So cool. I love small town life. This is why we're avoiding cities. You don't get these kind of experiences in the cities.
Assalamu alaikum. Marisa, let me just say something. I am noticing a little trend here. We start new videos every day and we think we're gonna film something. We end up filming something completely unrelated to our original idea.
That's true.
But guess what? I really like it.
I like it too. Today was such an amazing day of travel. We gained so much, even more than the eggs, the bag of apples, and the pomegranate. We just gained so much in terms of cultural exchange, learning new perspectives, friendships, and just really witnessing this amazing Moroccan hospitality.
Absolutely.
It's been an awesome day. We're signing off for now. Till then, bye.
Peace, Leva.